What's up, YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building. Today I'm coming to y'all with week 1 update. Yes, I said it, week 1. This is week 1. It's just week 1, people. But I want to make sure I do this every week. Make sure y'all see the progress. Maybe doing a time-lapse video. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. Alright, what's good, everybody? So I want to make sure I put this pre-disclosure out there first. I want to put this out there first because, of course, everybody gonna be thinking in their head, he probably dipping. No, I'm not dipping after getting my hair cut last week and now just having hair on my head for about a week. Doesn't work that way. You gotta brush a lot. As you can see in the background, yeah, I got a few tools, some new friends, some new buddies to work with, but I'll go over that in another video. This is going to be a quick video because I'm going to keep y'all informed in what's going on. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. All that information is going to be down in the description below. But basically, I'm going to be doing this weekly. Every week, you're going to get a chance to see my progress with these waves and how I'm doing them, how they're going. If I have any obstacles, if I have any issues, you're going to get to see that too. You're going to get to witness that too. So let's go ahead and come up out the Durag. As you can see, I got my Monsoon. Shout out to my boy CJ Monsoon. If you need to get one of these Durags, which is really nice, definitely get over there to him. I'll put his information down in the description below as well, so you can potentially get you one of these Durags. He also sells caps. I mean, he sells a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and come up out the Durag right quick. Now, of course, I don't really have any waves really in my head yet. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see, but I feel like I do have something kind of rippling a little bit. You can see kind of like right here in the light, you can see some ripples coming in right here. So like I said, I'm just making sure everything's in place. The key thing when you first start out waving is you want to make sure you have a great foundation and a great base for your pattern that you're going to be doing. It doesn't matter what it is, because you want your waves to eventually line up anyway. So you're going to make sure that the base of it, from the crown is all, down pat. I like that it's rippling up right here. This is usually my trouble side. This is a lot of people's trouble side, to be honest. But see, this is where my crown is right here. That's my crown. I'm gonna try to beehive it, so I gotta break that swirl basically. Kind of want to stay on the camera, so but this is week 1, man. I don't really have anything in there. Got a little couple of ripples right here, I see. Okay, got a few, got something brewing up there, got a few things brewing. It's mainly in the front. Usually with my hair, because it's so straight, it's gonna be probably about, I say week 4, maybe week 3 or 4 before I see any type of real wave motion. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that. Make sure y'all stay informed for real. But yeah, the key to it is, even when you first starting out, even if you don't have waves, you want to get in the habit of ragging up. You want to get in the habit of your brush strokes. You want to get in the habit of muscle memory when you're brushing. These things are going to help you as you go along, and as you move forward and as your hair grows, you're going to be able to gain that precision with the brush, with your tools, with your products, excuse me, things like that. So when them waves do finally come in there and you're really dipping, you'll be able to do what you need to do and continue moving forward on building your progress, building your pattern, building your crown. It's just a total success overall. So you want to make sure you get a great foundation first. So week 1 was based off foundation. Week 2 may be something different. It may be the same thing, who knows? But I just wanted y'all to see that right quick. So with that being said, I'ma holler at y'all, man. Yo, everybody, before I let you go, make sure you definitely subscribe to my channel. Also as well, if you're not getting any notifications from me when I have a new video that comes out, make sure you are putting your notifications on. That is going to be very key. So with that being said, I holler at y'all, man. HB3, I'm out of here.